Hello there, I have a 2018 Honda Civic and I'm going to show you how to replace your in-cabin air filter today. Went to the dealership the other day and they wanted to replace it. They wanted to charge us $50+ to do this. We're going to do it in 5 minutes, and I bought this on Amazon. 2 times as heavier than a standard cabin filter, up to 15,000 miles. They recommend changing these every 12,000 miles, but we're going to go ahead and do it, show you how to do it, and save some money. Alright, so the in-cabin air filter is different than the one that's under the hood. The one that's under the hood is for your engine. This is for the air you breathe inside your inside the seating area, and this helps keep out all the exhaust fumes, dust, and dirt and stuff that's outside to keep it from coming into the inside of your cabin. So it is located behind your glove box. So the first thing you're going to have to do is empty this out, or otherwise it's going to go all over the floor. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so now that we've cleaned out the glove box, you're going to see down here on each side there's like a rubber little grommet looking thing. You're going to push in on both sides, and you probably want to do it at the same time. Let me see if I can do that here. Let's see. So you're just going to push in and then pull down. So what you're doing is you're releasing these rubber little hooks from this little area. So there's a little rubber thing on each side. You just push those in. See how it's made to flex, and then you drop it down, and then your air filter is located right inside here, inside that little honeycomb looking box right here. So next we're going to pull that out. Okay, so how to remove this. This is just the cover to where your air filter goes, and you'll see these little clips here. They're like pentagon. They have 5 sides, and you just push in towards the housing, and that will just pop up like that. And there's one on each side. So see that little thing there? Just pull it in, boom, and there we go. Cover just comes right off, really easy. And there you see the old filter. Now notice the airflow arrows are pointing down. Same, it matches right here what's on that. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this old filter out. And you can see we've got some bugs in there. Dead spider, lots of leaves and stuff. So these things really do work. So that prevented all that stuff from coming inside the cabin. So, alright, we're going to take out the old one, and we're going to open our new one and put it in. Alright, so I have the new one here. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. There we go. You notice the air flow there. That's what we're going to do. The other one was installed with the little louvers going from right to left, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to turn it sideways and install it the same way. Just make sure your airflow is pointing down just like the other one. So here we go. So you're going to put it in there. Boom. New one is in place. And then we're going to just put our cover right back on. And make sure your clips are latched on each side. Boom. And you're done. So then to put your glove compartment back together, you're just going to lift it up and you're going to press in on each side, and then it will catch again, and then you can put your stuff back in your glove box and close up your glove box, and you are done. So that took maybe 5 minutes to show you all how to do it. So hope I saved you some money. Again, this is the Breathe Easy in-cabin air filter. helps you breathe fresh air inside your cabin. Exhaust fumes, road dust, pollen, allergens, stuff like that. I'll put a link to this one down in the description below, and hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks.